Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we're diving into the world of Proxychains on Kali Linux. If you're looking to enhance your online privacy and security, or simply want to mask your IP address for various reasons, Proxychains is a tool you should definitely know about. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the technical stuff, let's quickly understand what Proxychains is. A proxy server acts as an intermediary between your device and the internet, masking your IP address. Proxychains takes this a step further by allowing you to chain multiple proxies together, making it even harder to trace your online activities. It's like adding an extra layer of protection. Let's get Proxychains installed on our Kali Linux system. Open up a terminal and type the following command: sudo apt install Proxychains. Press Y when prompted, and the installation will begin. Once it's finished, we're ready to configure Proxychains. Proxychains uses a configuration file to define how it should behave. The default location is usually etc. proxychains.conf. Here, you'll find various options. We're going to focus on the proxies section. You can add your proxy servers here in the following format. Replace 127.0.0.1 with the proxy's IP address and 9050 with the port. You can add multiple proxies for better anonymity. Remember to uncomment the dynamic _chain line to enable chain proxies. Remember, while Proxychains can significantly improve your online privacy, it's not foolproof. Always exercise caution and use other security measures to protect yourself. That's it for today's tutorial on Proxychains. By understanding how to configure and use this tool, you can enhance your online security and privacy. Remember to use it responsibly and ethically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.